This video is requested by R. Salas.
Okay class. Today you are doing 4 sentences and what it means. You need scissors and glue. After this, put it in your writing notebook. When you are done, you can back up right with a comfy spot when I call to your tables. Go get started.
Nice.
Shark table, blue owl table, star heart table, orange table.
Yes, yes, yes.
A few minutes later.
M's. Green. I am done cutting.
Okay Amir. Now get your writing notebook and glue it. Students and staff, we will have a tornado drill. Please find a spot with no windows. Okay guys. Line up in a straight line. We are going to Mr. Samir's room. When they got to Mr. Samir's room.
Okay guys. Cover your heads. 5th grade. No talking. We will do this at recess tomorrow or you can listen. Thank you 3rd grade for being quiet. Thank you 4th grade. See 5th graders. This is what it looks like.
When they went back into the classroom.
Yes.
All right everyone. We earned 5 bingos today. That means everyone gets plus 25 dojo points.
Yay, we crossed off our bingo.
Dictionary by Amir Salas. Based on a true story and production by R. Salas. Announcements in words by Lizzie. Copyright 2026 Great Art of Tornado Drill.